Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Naime M. Carlos.
What is your age?
I'm 31 years old.
Which year were you born?
September 5, 1984.
Do you have valid work permit in Hong Kong identify card?
No, ma'am.
Do you have valid passport?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To help my family and earn more money.
What is your hometown?
Talavera, Nueva Ecija.
What is your level of education?
College graduate.
Are you married or single?
Single.
Do you have children?
No, ma'am.
How many people are you in your family?
I have 2 brothers.
Are your parents alive?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have financial commitments to support any or all of them?
No, ma'am.
If they fall sick, who can take care of them?
My family and relatives.
Do you have any debts either here on your home country?
No, ma'am.
Do you owe unemployment agency any money?
No, ma'am.
How many years of experience do you have?
2 years.
What do you enjoy most about the job?
When I teach the baby and he got honored at school.
Do you have other bills for food, drugs, and detergent?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of pets?
No, ma'am.
How do you handle conflict with your previous employer?
To follow and not violation the rules and regulation.
Do you accept no day of bat to be paid by your employer?
Yes, I can accept the add my salary and save.
Do you in your last place of employment, were both employees were working?
Yes, the couple, they both are working in bank.
Was your role primarily childcare or
To look
housework?
the woman only.
How many hours each day did you work?
It depends upon the employer instruction.
Do you have first aid certificate?
Yes, ma'am, I have test the housekeeping.
If my child burned their hand on the iron, what would you do?
To tell directly the employer to give some first aid kit.
If my son was being very naughty when you were babysitting him,
To talk nicely and be aware always and to patient all the time.
are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Which cuisine are you familiar with?
Filipino food?
Would you be willing to cook vegetarian and Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak Cantonese?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
I can dancing and singing.
Do you have any special skills like dancing, painting, etc.?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
I'm cooking.
What is your message to your employer?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Noemi M. Carlos. I'm 31 years old. I'm very motivated, easy to get alone my weaknesses, and it easily to the other. And to prove myself, I can work outside and comfort zone, which is teaching. I have song for you. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Hello, sir. I hope you like it. See you on Hong Kong. Thank you.